Hey, bitch. Want to buy some weed?
No man, I need to lay off that shit for a while. It's making me feel like shit.
Shit, bitch. What the fuck are we going to do then?
We can go to my house and play Modern Warfare 3?
Bitch. What the hell is that?
What? You never heard of it, man?
No, bitch. I'm selling my shit all the time. I don't have time for that shit. But sure, let's go. Wait. This isn't a trick, is it?
No. Why would it be a trick?
Look, bitch, if you want to fuck with me, that's okay. I got a fucking knife. So if you want to take my money, good luck. What the fuck? Bitch ass. Why are you upside down? Ass.
Great. You're tripping? Well, I see you tomorrow. Just stop tripping, man. Okay, bye. Fucking crazy motherfucker.